So far the journey is going really very good, and this Kalpa is really amazing. I just show you the view. Kalpa was our next destination. It is somewhat around 225 km from Shimla. It is a very small town in Sutlej River Valley above Nikkor in the Nikkor district of Himachal Pradesh. Journey is much more beautiful than the destination. And whomsoever have said this, yes, it is true. As we went deeper in the eastern side of Himachal Pradesh, the color of mountains change. They are brown, they are rocky, and they are beautiful. I was in childlike awe when passing through these roads. Traveling to such roads is like watching wonder every single second. How they had cut down the mountains, made so many bridges to join hundreds of villages, towns and cities in Himalayas. Hats off to Border Road Organization. They had done a marvelous job. In Kalpa, you can go for a hike at Chakka Meadow, which is called an easy one of 3 to 4 km, but we did not went there. Instead, we went to photograph ourselves at Hope Point, also called as Suicide Point. I prefer the former name though. We are at Suicide Point, yes. Kalpa. Please come closer. And let me show you the actual depth of this place.
I can't take it.
Please hold me. Please hold me.
Yes.
I'm not here to do any suicide or something. But yeah, people have done, and you can see some names are written here. Oh.
Your love album.
I don't know. My goodness. Hey guys, morning is quite late in Kalpa today. We are right now at Nikkor Valley Hotel, and it's a beautiful property. If anyone is coming here, you can stay here. The food is awesome and the view is terrific. Whole night I tried this star trail photography, and that's why I was unable to wake up in the morning. So far the journey is going really very good, and this Kalpa is really amazing. I just show you the view. There are temples and monastery here, but I was kind of tired, so I preferred to see this small town through my bird eyes. Kalpa average elevation is around 2960 meters, and it is just at the base of Nikkor snow-capped range, which are rise to 6,000 meters. And frankly, Kalpa is heaven. I hope you like this video. Stay tuned. I'll be taking you to 2 secret places of this region next week. Have a wonderful time.